Hey, I'm Melvin Yates, broker here at Exit Flagship Realty. Just showing that we finally finished the project. It took us a couple days longer than we thought, as most construction does. But we were in and out in about 10 days doing a full renovation here in the office in terms of adding the bathroom, the fitness center. We have a changing room right here. But let's just go in and take a peek at the bathroom and actually look at the new shower that we installed too. So, we finally got the finishing touches. We went with a gold, gold trim finish, and obviously we've got the backsplash and everything there, and all of the finishing touches in gold here. And let's take a peek at the shower. Super nice as you can see. Again, you say, what's a shower doing in a real estate office? Hey, we're really working on the whole person here at Exit Flagship Realty, so we want to make sure that you can get your fitness in. And then, of course, if you've got clients, you can still get your workout in, hop in the shower, change back into your suit in the changing room, and then meet one of the clients in one of the large conference rooms, medium, small conference rooms. So I'm Melvin Yates, just showing you the finishing touches on this bathroom renovation. Next, we're gonna do the kitchen renovation, which is gonna happen in the next couple of weeks. So be sure to keep you updated. Talk to you soon.